Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden in plain sight within company filings. Today we are diving into Kayne Anderson BDC Inc. Its latest report, and it seems like they are getting ready to spill the beans on their latest financial performance. This is a current report telling us about an important event that just happened. Think of it like a company's urgent bulletin to the public. On October 10th, 2025, Kayne Anderson BDC Inc., which we will call the company from now on, put out a press release. Now, this press release is about their upcoming financial results for the third quarter of this year, which ended on September 30th. Companies usually do this to give investors a heads up about when they can expect to hear the nitty-gritty details about how the company has been doing financially. Mark your calendars, because on Monday, November 10th, after the stock market closes for the day, they will be releasing these financial results for the third quarter. This is when we will see the actual numbers, how much money they made, how much they spent, and all that good stuff. And just a day later, on Tuesday, November 11th, at 10 in the morning Eastern Time, they will be holding a conference call. This is where the company's executives will talk about these financial results, explain what the numbers mean, and answer questions from analysts and reporters. It is a crucial time to listen in if you want to understand the company's story beyond just the numbers. They have also attached this press release to the filing, so anyone who wants to read the exact words can find it. Now let's talk about what kind of stock this company has. They have common stock, and its par value is very small, just a tiny fraction of $1. If you want to find this company on the stock market, you can look for its ticker symbol, which is KBDC. And this stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE. That is a big league exchange, so it tells us this is a publicly traded company that a lot of people can invest in. For a company like Kayne Anderson BDC Inc., these filings are important because it gives us a peek into their business operations and their financial health. Although this particular filing doesn't contain a deep dive into their financial tables right here, it serves as an announcement for when that detailed information will be available. The key takeaway is that the company is preparing to share its performance data for the recent quarter, and investors will want to pay close attention to that upcoming earnings call to understand the underlying performance and future outlook. It is like getting an invitation to a financial party. We don't have the full spread on this form, but we know it is coming soon. And that is often the most exciting part, the anticipation of what the numbers will reveal about the company's strategy and its success in executing it. So, what does this all mean for Kayne Anderson BDC Inc. and its investors? Well, the market thrives on information, and this report is a signal that important information is on its way. It suggests the company is following the standard procedures for public companies, which is good for transparency. However, without the actual financial results, it is hard to make a definitive judgment call on their current direction. We will have to wait for that November earnings release to really dig into the numbers. The fact that they are hosting a conference call means they are prepared to discuss their performance, which typically indicates they are either pleased with the results or ready to explain challenges. It is a sign of engagement with the investment community. The real story will unfold on November 10th and 11th. Until then, this filing is simply a notice, a promise of future disclosures. We will be watching closely to see what the third quarter financial results will reveal about Kayne Anderson BDC Inc., its market position, and its ability to generate returns for its shareholders. The critical elements of the story will be in revenue growth, profitability, and any significant changes in their investment portfolio or strategy that emerge from their detailed financial statements and the subsequent management commentary. Alright, that is our quick decode of this announcement. What are your predictions for Kayne Anderson BDC Inc.'s upcoming earnings? Let us know your thoughts on the performance you expect to see. If this breakdown was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more in-depth analyses, and join our growing community on Discord. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next dive.